Oh, she's here. Don't see one of these every day. Well, there you have it. The International is here. Are you ready for this one, Arno?
Yeah, of course, man.
It's a little bit bigger than the Diamond Key, but about the same size cab-wise, really. But yeah, it's absolutely beautiful. The motor's not running for a fact. It's run a main bearing. But yeah, there she is. She's here. We're going to get her offloaded, put you on some time lapse so you can see some offloading footage. So we cleared out the yard here. And here she comes, the International Harvester. Gabe, I think the power's back. I think normally when that guy's alarm goes off, the power's back. Yeah. Well, there we have it, the International Harvester R190 series. Zach van Staden Civil Engineering, Bloemfontein. So this thing's had a life. Check those tires and rims. Running an inline 6. That thing even works. Nice, I like the way the bonnet opens. Looks mean from the front.
Guillotine, eh?
Yeah, just don't put your hands in there, do something.
Whatever's in the way is chopping it off.
But yeah, she still looks very clean, but definitely they said to us that it's run the main bearings, so we know that that's not a running motor. But somebody's put a more modern alternator on it. Let's check her out. Nice wooden doors. Let's get in and have a look. Oh, it's not that bad. It's actually quite comfy. So what's that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 speed. Jeez, what a weird combination. Did you see where first gear is? It's weird. That's a problem for tomorrow's Arno and Sean, not today's Arno and Sean. That's a rev counter, speedo gauge, temperature, oil, volts, fuel.
Where do you see a rev counter?
Yeah.
That's not a rev counter. That's another speedo.
It says RPM.
Does it say RPM?
Yeah, and then it says economy, danger. It's looks like a vacuum style thing. Yes. Look. Oh, when last you seen a PM9 like that? Check that PM9. That thing seems
They
better.
were ready, bro.
Oh, that thing can go on the wheel. Well, that's the thing that they expect you to change the wheels with. Obviously, humans don't have that kind of upper body strength anymore. There's a spark plug. Oh, there's the manual. It definitely has been taking water on this corner here. But first is like this. There's first, then you got to go all the way from here to second.
Nice.
You gotta go, wow, second, third, fourth. You're like, but it's amazing. It's amazing how good condition she still is. As I say that the window doesn't work, but anyway. I'm pretty sure tomorrow we'll try to stick a battery in this thing and see what happens. That's for the air vent up front, but that's not working.
Man, how many snakes underneath the seat, bro?
Well, don't say shit like that, bro. And I'm out of here now. Do I get bitten by the golden cobra? Check that door, still closes like butter, man.
Battery is this side.
Eh?
Battery compartment or battery tray is this side.
Oh, check that cool cage under there. I don't know what that is. That's a nice petrol tank. Huge wheels. Huge wheels.
5,450 kg.
And the other one, what's the other number?
12,450.
Oh, that one's 9,000. So this is a 9-tonner, and this one's a 12-tonner, and that one's a 9-tonner.
Check the inner of that stair wheel, man. That's, you have to take that inner out of there, and that needs to fit in there.
Oh, fuck that, man. That's a death trap of a wheel, bro. But yes, is that chassis. This is like the kind of stuff they build skyscrapers with. And then, yeah, they've doubled it up.
This is wood.
Yeah, and then they've doubled the chassis. Yeah, super common. There was always wood in the old ones, though. Well, there you have it. There's the Diamond G's sister, the International R190 with the inline 6. Looking smart, getting ready, spreading her wings, gonna fly from Cape Town to wherever the hell she needs to go from here. I like these old radiators, they're small. This just looks like another nightmare to try to start again.